Meaning of dendrochronology.
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 Dendrochronology. Dendrochronology is the scientific method of dating tree rings to determine the age of a tree or the date of an event. By examining patterns in the width, density, and composition of tree rings, researchers can determine the climate conditions during each year of the tree's life. This data can then be used to reconstruct past environments and events. Dendrochronology has also been used to calibrate radiocarbon dating, as well as to study the timing and effects of natural phenomena such as droughts, wildfires, and volcanic eruptions.